Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of an extension on a program that we did the other day, the search results program. We're going to extend it a little bit and add a few more features onto it. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a path to my desktop in Windows. So this is going to be C users mark desktop, and then what we do is we've got to change there, so we say os.chddir, change directory to this path. Okay, we're in the desktop directory now. This is my desktop path. Your desktop path will be different to this, so you're going to have to find your own unique desktop path. Before we start, what we're going to be needing on this, we're going to be needing the Google search. So you're going to have to import the Google search by adding this line here. You might also have to install it using pip if you don't already have it on board. So I would suggest installing it through pip before you import it into your program here. So now we're going to create a function called I'm just going to simply call it web search. Okay, so I'm going to create a scalar variable called num searches, and I'm going to assign that to int, integer, because we will be taking a numerical value input and number of results. So the number of results we want there, and then what we do, oh, blooming heck, what's happened there? Undo. Okay. Now we're going to type in keyword. We're going to assign that to input, so we're going to type in a keyword to search for. Okay, so we're typing a search query there, and then we create another variable called search results. We're going to assign that to search and then keyword, and then num searches. Right, now we're going to go onto a for loop. So for result in search results. We're going to print out a message, and we're going to format it using fstring, writing results to, and I'm just going to go like that, scalar path. So it's going to tell the user where we're going to write the results, because we're going to create a text file here with the results in it. So then we're going to use the time module, and it's going to be time.sleep 1 second. So we're going to pause the program for 1 second so it'll make it look like it's actually working. And now what we're going to do is we're going to create a text file which will go onto the desktop. So we do that with open, give it a name. I'm just going to simply call links.txt, and then what we do is we open it and type in A here for append as file object. Then we do file object dot write and then we're going to type in result, and a new line there, and then we're going to print out what's happened again? Print out there. It's wrong. Try it again. Print, and we're going to use the F string. File created here, and type in the path, which will tell us where the file has been created. Now all we have to do is call the program, which is going to be web search. Okay, all we have to do now is run it. Okay, so number of results, that's a lot. Okay, I want 10 results from this. Hit enter. Keyword, let's say teaching. Enter. Writing results, so it's writing results. It's basically appending these results to the file. So we should be finished in a second or two. There we go. Right, let's click off that. Let's go to the desktop. Here is the links file, and there are the results. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 results. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.